Sensor resolutions. Remote sensors are characterized by spatial, spectral, and radiometric resolutions that enable the extraction of useful information pertaining to different terrain conditions. Spatial resolution. You must have seen some people using spectacles while reading a book or newspaper. Have you ever thought as to why they do so? It is simply because of the fact that resolving power of their eyes to differentiate two closed space letters in a word is unable to identify them as two different letters. By using positive spectacles, they try to improve their vision as well as the resolving power. In remote sensing, the spatial resolution of the sensors refers to the same phenomenon. It is the capability of the sensor to distinguish two closely spaced object surfaces as two different objects. As a rule, with an increasing resolution, the identification of even the smaller object surfaces becomes possible. Spectral resolution. It refers to the sensing and the recording power of the sensor in different bands of electromagnetic radiation. Multispectral images are acquired by using a device that disperses the radiation received by the sensor and recording it by deploying detectors sensitive to specific spectral ranges. The principles in obtaining such images is the extension of the dispersion of light in nature, resulting in appearance of the rainbow, and the use of prism in the lab. The images obtained in different bands showed objects respond differently, as discussed in para 3 of the stages in remote sensing data acquisition. Figure 7.11 illustrates images acquired in different spectral regions by IRS P6 Resource Sat 1, showing strong absorption properties of fresh water in band 4 infrared and mixing strong reflectance in band 2 green by dry surfaces. Radiometric resolution. It is the capability of the sensor to discriminate between two targets. Higher the radiometric resolution, smaller the radius differences that can be detected between two targets. The spatial, spectral, and radiometric resolution of some of the remote sensing satellites of the world is given in Table 7.1. Spatial, IR, spatial, spectral, and radiometric resolution of Landsat, IRS, and spot sensors. Rainbow. Natural dispersion of light. Dispersion of light, the principle that is used in obtaining multispectral images. The overall mechanism of obtaining images in a number of bands derives strength from the principle of dispersion of light. You must have seen the rainbow. It is formed through a natural process of dispersion of light rays through water molecules present in the atmosphere. The same phenomenon can be the same phenomenon may be experimented by putting a beam of light at one side of a prism. At the other side of the prism, you may notice the dispersion of energy into 7 colors that form white light. Data products. We have seen that the electromagnetic energy may be detected either photographically or electronically. The photographic process uses light sensitive film to detect and record energy variations. Refer Chapter 6. On the other hand, a scanning device obtains images in digital mode. It is important to distinguish between the terms images and photographs. An image refers to a pictorial representation regardless of what regions of energy have been used to detect and record it. A photograph refers to specifically to images that have been recorded on a photographic film. Hence, it can be said that all photographs are images, but all images are not photographs. Based upon the mechanism used in detecting and recording, the remotely sensed data products may be broadly classified into two types: photographic images and digital images. Photographic images. Photographs are acquired in the optical regions of the electromagnetic spectrum, that is 0.3 to zero point 0.9 μm. Four different types of light sensitive film emulsion bases are used to obtain photographs. These are black and white, color, black and white, infrared, and color infrared. However, in aerial photography, black and white film is normally used. Photographs may be enlarged to any extent without losing information contents or the contrast. Digital images. A digital image consists of discrete picture elements called pixels. Each one of the pixels in an image has an intensity value and an address in two-dimensional image space. A digital number, dn, represents the average intensity value of a pixel. It is dependent upon the electromagnetic energy received by the sensor and the intensity levels used to describe its range. In a digital image, the reproduction of the details pertaining to the images of the objects is affected by the size of the pixel. A smaller size pixel is generally useful in the preservation of the scene details and digital representation. However, zooming of the digital image beyond certain extent produces loss of information and the appearance of pixels only. Using a digital image processing algorithm, the digital numbers representing the intensity level in an image may be displayed. Sensor resolutions. Remote sensor